First up, we have a rear shoulder squeeze. So with the band around your wrist, your arms at a 90-degree angle, open the arms up as wide as you can, pause slightly and return back to center. We have 15 more seconds here. Next up, we have a lat pull down. So we're going to take it in between our hands up high, and extend down behind us. This should be working your upper back, the tops of your shoulders. Make sure to keep your core engaged. Got 3 more seconds here. Moving on to a bent lateral raise. Keep them around your fingers or around your wrist if that's better. And bring those shoulders up to a 90-degree angle. Ten more seconds. Taking it down to the ground for Superman's. Keep the band around your wrist. You want to keep your legs down and just work on your arms. Top, we've got our rear shoulder squeeze. Lat pull down. Back around the wrist. Got less than 2 minutes remaining in this workout. Take it down to the ground. Tricep pull downs, 30 seconds on each arm. Halfway there. Go ahead and switch arms.